Hare Krishna. Welcome again to another episode of Parikshit's newest podcast, Beyond Persunda. आज हमारे साथ फिर से हम जेई मेंस के एक एस्पिरेंट हैं जिन्होंने एक्सेप्शनली परफॉर्म किया है एग्जाम में। सो वुड यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड हमारे व्यूअर्स को यही बताइए कि आपका जेई में परसेंटाइल कितना था?
Hare Krishna. My name is Prangshudas, and my GMN percentile was 99.52 percentile.
99.52 प्रांशु, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। कैसा फील कर रहे हो?
I'm quite happy, but also satisfied that my hard work has paid off.
चलो गुड, यू आर सैटिस्फाइड। चलो ये जान के अच्छा लगा, वरना कुछ लोग ठीक है। सो प्रांशु, 2 साल मेहनत किया तुमने या उससे ज़्यादा किया?
2 years.
2 इयर्स। इस 2 इयर्स के जर्नी पे तुम क्या कहना चाहोगे?
First of all, sir, I was introduced to JEE in my 11th, so I was quite shocked and means handling it was quite hard. So initial phase was very tough for me. There was a lot of pressure on me because 10 to 11 transition was a very important phase for me. In 10 to 11 transition, if you see 10 syllabus, it is very concise, but 11th expands a lot. So you need to maintain yourself at that time. And there were various ups and downs for me. Once I scored a very low mark in Parikshit test series that was being conducted, and it was very disheartening for me. So I decided, no, I have to do. After onwards, from that, I started developing. Yes, after that, there were also ups and downs, but still, it was not a very cakewalk type, means very easy.
आई अंडरस्टैंड। अगर हम ये डिस्क्रेडिट कर दें, ये डिस्क्रेडिट नहीं कर रहे हैं, पर अगर हम तुम्हारे हार्ड वर्क को पीछे रखें और जैसा तुमने बोला कि तुमने अपने आप को समझाया, दैट यू वैलिडेटेड योरसेल्फ कि तुमसे होगा, ये कितना होता है इम्पोर्टेंट एक स्टूडेंट की लाइफ में?
Sir, you need to first convince your soul or yourself that no, I can achieve. If you get yourself demotivated that no, it is not meant for me, I cannot do that. These all negative statements are just going to hamper your positive environment. So first of all, you need to create a positive environment around you and make yourself understand that yes, I am able to do it. I can achieve higher, but hard work is very much needed, and for that we need to be disciplined.
अगर हम एनवायरनमेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हमारे आसपास एक एनवायरनमेंट बनाना, एनवायरनमेंट का होना और एनवायरनमेंट के बनाने में डिफरेंस है। तुम्हें क्या लगता है, तुम्हें अच्छे स्टडी एनवायरनमेंट्स मिले घर पे कोचिंग का?
सर, कोचिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर स्टडी एनवायरनमेंट रहता था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो है बच्चे सभी जो है साइड में बैठ के पढ़ते थे। घर में क्या होता है ना, कभी कहीं पे मोबाइल किधर मोबाइल डिस्ट्रैक्शंस वर लॉट। I also live in a joint family though, so there are my little brothers and sisters. They also come very often, so it was a bit tough for me. But avoiding all distractions, you need to focus. It means you need to focus on your studies. That I have to do it. I need to do it. There must be a thirst or a hunger, and you need to validate at that.
योरसेल्फ, देन यू नीड टू डू इट ऑफ कोर्स। अब प्रांशु, डेली मेहनत होती थी ऑब्वियसली,
Yes.
ऑफ कोर्स है ना? सो तुम डेली कैसी मेहनत करते थे? तुम्हारा एक शेड्यूल होता होगा, शेयर करो।
Um, Before crash course, there was our school in the morning hours. So, in the morning hours, first of all, I have to wake up at 6, then finish my daily work and go to school at around 7:15. And after school, our classes continued. Parikshit classes, then school classes. We usually arrive at 2 to 2:30. I have my lunch. Then I used to take a quick nap because sir, after studying for 6 hours, a quick nap is very refreshing. So I would recommend, if you are very much tired from studies after a long period of time, you must take at least 30-minute nap or 40-minute nap. They will refresh you very much. So after that nap, I used to um, exercise for about 10 to 15 minutes, even though not daily, but some
Regularly, that is when you found time.
yes. Then after that, I need to sit down and study. study for around 1.5 hours or 2 hours. Then I need to take a break because if we keep focus for that many time, then our focus generally concentration generally decreases. So I used to take a break after 1.5 hours or 2 hours, break for about 15 to 20 minutes, then continue as usual study, have my dinner, and then sleep for around 6 to 7 hours.
If we talk about your strategy, तुमने linearly पढ़ाई की तुमने या तुमने एक मल्टी डायरेक्शनल अप्रोच लिया?
For my strategy or study approach, um, means it was not that very easy to strategize something for like JEE, because you need to look at every aspect, because in chemistry, inorganic part, you need to memorize many things. In physical or maths, you may say, there are many logical parts. So, first of all, I have to keep some time for memorizing the things, also memorizing the formulas that were required in physical. Then also I need to practice on that logical based questions of mathematics, physics, or physical chemistry. So it was not very linear, but I need to divide my time accordingly. For means remembering iPad, I usually keep about 1 hour of time for chemistry. Then formula revision was around 40 minutes to 45 minutes for physics and mathematics. Then only questions practice were being done.
तुम्हें क्या लगता है कौन सा ऐसा सब्जेक्ट था जहाँ पे तुम्हें ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ा एज़ कम्पेयर टू द अदर्स?
Sir, two subjects. Two subjects means one is subject, one is a part of a subject. Okay, and that one is mathematics. Mathematics, because they were integrated logical patterns that we need to decode at the time of moment of the examination. And also there was a inorganic part of chemistry that quite disturbed me, because remembering those trends, especially of DF and block and P block, those were quite challenging for me.
मैं जहाँ तक समझ पा रहा हूँ, तुम्हें रिमेम्बरेंस पे काम करना पड़ा है ना? सो देखो रिमेम्बरेंस एक चीज़ होता है एंड दूसरा चीज़ होता है ना सतत प्रयास, है ना डिसिप्लिन। सो बात ऐसी हो जाती है, लास्ट के जो तुम्हारे 2-3 महीने थे, जब तुम्हारा क्रैश कोर्स शुरू शुरू हुआ, क्रैश कोर्स के टाइम पे व्हाट वाज़ दैट वन थिंग जो तुम्हें लगता है मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस?
During my crash course, I didn't especially have anything at that very first time I entered the crash course, because during the first 9 to 10 days were very demotivating for me, because my marks weren't going up. I was thinking, what what am I doing, and how can I just improve it? But then suddenly the chapters became a bit easier. That that gave motivation, and also I took breaks during my self study sessions in home. So I found a very useful video that just motivated me like anything. It just said that just think about the conditions of your mother and father, and how they are just doing everything in their capacity for you. Just look at them and then work hard. And that pushed me up. That pushed me up very much during the crash course, and I tried to do my best.
यू हैव हैंडल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर। ये जो प्रेशर था 2-3 महीने लास्ट के एंड ऑन द डे ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन कौन सा शिफ्ट था तुम्हारा?
I have 22nd shift one.
22nd का फर्स्ट शिफ्ट था तुम्हारा, सो प्रेशर तुमने एग्जाम के दिन पे कैसे हैंडल किया?
Um, in the 22nd shift one, I means it was the first shift of the JMINS examination. So before night, I was just shivering like anything, and I couldn't sleep up to about 1 o'clock, and my morning shift was there. So I said to me, just this once you have to give it your all, and do your best. So that calmed me down bit, and then I slept. Upon waking up in the morning, first of all I have to finish my daily course. Then you may for calming my mind, I used to meditate and chant for a bit of time. That helped calm my mind. But during the examination, there would be some panic, some stress in the examination hall when you are facing the computer screen. So the main thing is how to deal with it. You need to take long breaths and uh, just concentrate on your paper, not anything else, that I'm sitting somewhere. And mock exams will definitely help in this.
If you had to give any advice to your viewers or to fellow aspirants or to future aspirants, what would it be?
There are many advices that I would like to give all the future aspirants. That is, analysis is very main thing, because after every test, you may have some pros and cons. There are some parts where you are best at, and there are some parts where you're not good at. So if you can identify, first thing is identifying, then only you can face the problems. So first of all, identify the analysis of the paper, that what all are your weaknesses, then practice on it. And second thing is that during the last very week or the last very month, only your short notes will help you, nothing other than else. I faced a great problem due to it, because in chemistry and organic I had not prepared short notes of some inorganic chapters, that caused some problems for me. But you must not do that.
Thank you so much, Pranshu. We are so glad to have you here, and I would like to congratulate you again. आगे के लिए भी तुम्हें all the best. Advanced. Is it Revan?
Definitely preparing for it. But for now, my concentration will be on boards.
Of course, and I know you'll be doing really great. Thank you so much, Pranshu, for coming. And इसी के साथ we conclude this session. Hare Krishna.